time to sleep. It's time to sleep. The fishes croon in the waters deep. Songbirds sing in the trees above. It's time to sleep, my love, my love. So go to sleep, my sleepy child. The tiger whispers in the wild. The otter utters by the lake. It's getting hard to stay awake. So go to sleep, my love. Let's go to sleep, my darling love. So coos the sleepy turtle dove. So drones the drowsy bumblebee inside its hive, inside its tree. Let's go to sleep, my love. It's getting very sleepy now. So moos the tired milking cow. So croaks the almost sleeping frog amidst the settling of the log. So go to sleep, my love. Your dreams will be arriving soon. They'll float to you in sleep's balloon. They'll be here when I snuff the wick. You better close your eyelids quick so you can dream, my love, my love. So you can dream, my love. And as you dream inside your sleep, the fishes crooning in the deep and all the songbirds up above will sleep and dream of you, my love, of you, the one I love.